Hello students, this is Mr. Reeves back with you again, and I was going over the results to the skill quiz on circumference and found out that a lot of students had missed this problem right here. By the way, this problem, hopefully many of you recognized, was taken directly from a textbook problem. All I did was change the diameter. So I want to recommend that you make sure that you look at those key problems that I've chosen from each textbook lesson to see the types of problems you need to know how to do, because honestly those are the types of problems that I will be putting on these skill quizzes. So here we go. It says the Ferris wheel shown makes 10 revolutions per ride. So one of these riders is going to go around 10 times. So they will make the circumference of the circle 10 times, or their distance will be 10 times the circumference. All right, so we're going to have to find the circumference of the circle, and hopefully you remember that the formula for circumference is diameter times pi. So in this case, we were given the diameter of 42 feet, so the circumference would be 42 times pi. So then it would be time to go to my calculator to find the circumference. Now, many of the problems have told you what to use for pi. Some have told you to use 3.14. Some have told you to use 22/7. And there is also, of course, the pi button, which is actually the best if you want to be the most accurate. Since the problem didn't tell us, we can actually use any of those for pi. I'm going to go ahead and use 3.14 because that's what was being used in the previous part of the quiz. So here we go. So I'm going to go to my handy dandy calculator and pull that up. And I'm going to put in the diameter of 42, and I'm going to multiply by 3.14. And when I do that, I get a circumference of 131.88. So my circumference is about 131.88, and these would be feet. All right, but remember, he is making, or she is making, 10 rotations, right? So I need to take that circumference and I need to multiply it by 10. Now I hope you know that when you multiply by 10, it simply moves the decimal one place to the right. So it becomes 1318.8 feet. But you must read the directions carefully. It says to round your answer to the nearest whole foot. So to round that to the nearest whole foot, I need 1319 feet. That is what we are looking for right there. Okay, 1,000, it's okay if you put a comma, 319 feet. All right, I hope this helps. And if you're taking a retake of this quiz, make sure you know how to do this problem because it is the one that students have missed most. Have a great day, everybody.